Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's up, Rico Cap family and traders? I'm back again to show y'all a quick trade recap on today. It is the last day of the month of September, thank God, and we are the start of a new week, Monday, and we're coming out strong here. We're ending the month strong, and we're starting the week off strong too. So as we're saying goodbye to September, we're going into October, and October is seasonally a pretty bloody month, meaning we're going to see a lot of downside, and so that kind of aligns with kind of what we were seeing pre-market as we're down on QQQ and SPY about a few dollars, right? I wasn't really seeing too many good plays as everything was red except for Apple. Apple was pushing higher here as it pushed up and then continued to keep going. So tougher plays. Meta is green right now as it finally fought the bottom and held that 564 level pre-market to keep going. So one of the plays I did see was QQQ right at open, and that's if we broke above the 486.86 and kind of got back into range. I saw the momentum kind of pre-market as I was watching. So I just kind of drew a flag real quick from top of pre-market all the way to end of day right here, bottom pre-market till end of day. And I got on the 5 minutes. I knew this would be a little bit of faster trade, but the 15-minute looks just as good too. So I did this live for members, and of course my live alerts on the Rico Capital Pro Twitter. If you want my live trade alerts, step-by-step, trim, sold all, and kind of give y'all an update, sign up wap.com/Rico Capital. I did this live on Voice Live and shared my screen for those who signed up for Voice Live as well. Now, the play I was looking, and I kind of mentioned it pre-market too, is if we break above this flag, we should run to 486.86 and then break above it. Now from there, it's possible we do run to kind of 489 supply next above right there. That was in the plans if we do break above. If not, we either hold back in this zone, which we're kind of doing now, or we break back down and kind of come test 44. So what had happened though is we slammed those calls as we broke above this flag and took the ride up. So we got filled at around $110. I know some members got a little bit better entry than me, but held it around there, not bad. And we got that immediate rip up, about 5 minutes, 10-minute trade there. And as you can see, trimmed at 125, trim most at 141, all out at 149, 150. So easily $40 move, $50 move real quick on these QQ calls right at open. So 50% play very nicely just off that right there. And that's exactly what we're looking for, starting the day off right, starting the week off right. And I knew that we'd probably see some sideways action as, market possibly could be breaking out of this downtrend, kind of bouncing back into range. Second play is we took Amazon. Amazon, I've been noticing just monster weakness after kind of rejecting highs last week, and kind of caught my eye Thursday last week how we just dumped. Friday as well, I wanted to short it. We ended up going Tesla and making money off that. So today I wanted to see, all right, if we break this flag down to this demand, what happens? We actually bounced back up, rejected, and came down. That's exactly what we played. So as we rejected, we ended up taking 182.5 puts end of week and rode it all the way down to 184. So solid second play there, made some money on that, and we called it a morning session. We're kind of just waiting and doing less. We have Powell talking, Fed's talking about the economy here probably in 2 hours. So market should kind of slow down, push back into range up here, and we're kind of just doing less. See how Q's kind of pushing above our zone here. It wants to come to 489 definitely, and we're watching NVIDIA for a monster swing again like we nailed last week. So we're doing less and we're waiting to size up and waiting the plays come to us. So we're just respecting the Rico Cap zones and we're doing less. That's how we know where buyers are at and where sellers are at. So if you need those zones, wap.com/Rico Capital, link up here. follow it, sign up, get access to the Discord, and bank with us. We're winning. So solid start to the start of the week, ending September nicely, and I'll keep y'all updated, and I'll see you on the next video.